Today I'll be changing the air filter in my 2013 Mazda 3 with SkyActiv technology. I will be using a Fram ExtraGuard air filter, product number 11259, which cost me $26 at Canadian Tire. To do this at a local dealership, it costs about $75 depending on which dealership you go to. The recommended service schedule for where I live would have me change my air filter every 56,000 kilometers. The Fram ExtraGuard filter indicates you should do it every 20,000 kilometers, which would be more in line with the sort of the most aggressive maintenance schedule recommended by Mazda. So I usually go a little bit more than 20,000, a little bit less than 56. To do this, it only takes a few minutes, and all you really need to be able to do is find the air filter housing, which is located right here. To open the air filter housing, there are only two retaining clips, one here and one here. Once those have been removed, the air filter housing lifts up and the air filter can be removed. Lift straight up, pull it back towards you, and lift it up a little more. There's the old air filter. And it pulls straight out. Here's a side-by-side comparison. New filter on the right, old filter on the left. Obviously the one on the right is significantly whiter. When reinstalling the new filter, just lift up the filter housing and it'll slide right in. Before securing the fasteners, you're going to want to make sure that the air filter is properly seated all the way around to ensure that it's not in crooked. Prior to reattaching the filter housing retaining clips, there is one point to note on these air filter housing units. On the top, there's a little protrusion, and on the bottom there's a little circle that inserts through on this side, and there's another one on this side. So those both have to be properly secured before latching it down, so it comes forward and down. So say we're going to push it forward to ensure it's properly seated, and then we're going to reattach the retaining clips. 1, 2. So that's all that's required to change the air filter on your Mazda 3. It only takes a couple minutes. I would highly recommend doing this yourself, as it is a very simple task involving only 2 clips and no tools. Thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.